Guys, I'm just gonna get right to it. But after I cough, 5 favorite things right now. Okay, so I got my hair cut, got it colored, and everyone's been saying, God, your hair looks so shiny, what is it? And I was like, I got my hair cut. And then I realized, no, I changed my shampoo and conditioner, and I have to give a shout out to Kérastase. It was the first time I actually got Kérastase, like on my own. Whoops, I can't read. And this is, like, honestly, it says, it's the Reflection Kérastase, no sulfates, which is nice, and it's for color treated hair, which I use. So I was using it, and I've noticed everyone's been like, your hair looks amazing, it's super shiny, and I think it's from this. So I'm really into it. And the only thing is, it's like it's like really hard to read. So I'm always like, is this the shampoo or is this the shampoo? Is this the conditioner or is this the conditioner? So this is the shampoo, this is the conditioner. And there's a little more shampoo than conditioner. I don't know. Is there? No, 250. Yeah, 250 and 200. So that's how I remember. But obsessed, Kérastase, you crushed it. Thank you. All right, number 2 is a new Advanced Night Repair eye cream, and I've been using it, and I'm obsessed with it. It's like thick but whipped but jelly. It's like this crazy delicious consistency, and I've been using it at night, and I feel like I'm super tired, but I don't look as tired as I feel. So I'm feeling you, Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream Supercharged Complex. It's actually called the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex Synchronized Recovery. Hey! Guys, I might have done this in my last one, but I'm doing it again because I still can't get enough. I just can't get enough of my Dermaflash. My Dermaflash, Dermaflash, Dermaflash. They are not paying me to say this. Just want you to know that no one's paying me to say any of these things are great. But they did give me a discount code because I asked them for you guys, Jamie20, if you want to get one of these. And it's just, you know, an exfoliator that gets rid of peach fuzz, and it also exfoliates dead skin, and it makes your skin just look so silky smooth, and it makes makeup look better, and you don't have to wear as much. And I'm just obsessed again, so I had to give another shout out to Dermaflash. You guys ask me this, what color is this every time I wear it, and it's Amazing Grace from Charlotte Tilbury. So I thought, you know what? Let's just show them. Let's give the people what they want. Okay, you can tell I've been using this one. It's all kinds of funky shapes, but it's because I went between like using it and then using a brush on it for somebody, and then like sanitizing it and using it on myself. I mean, it's a good color. What can I say? Amazing Grace. Last but not least, it's this Jenny Patinkin brush that I'm obsessed with. It's this little, I kind of got glue on it, so I need to clean it, but it's this little soft brush that you can take eyeshadow and just smoke it out underneath your eye. And it's amazing. I love it. It's a fabulous brush. I have a couple of them. And I used to use other brushes, but my clients would complain, like, I won't say whose this is. Well, it's no one's. It's a generic brush. But like, I used to use this brush, but then clients were like, ow, ow, that hurts. So then I got this, and Jenny Patinkin, you crushed it. I'm obsessed with all your brushes. I have all of them. This is one of them too. I mean, I really like can't get enough of you, girl. This is one of them. Oh, just so soft and nice. And this one is now it's called the Pinpoint Liner. So you could use it as an eyeliner brush or a smoked out shadow brush or whatever you want. Okay, bye to this one. Bye, bitch. Bye. So there you have it. 5 things that are just so great right now, making me so excited. I hope you enjoyed it, and I love you, and I mean it, and thank you for joining us. Bye.